Hey, so my faucet in my bathroom sink is getting old. I need to replace it. So I'm going to check out this Hurran faucet. Here's the packaging. I'm actually kind of impressed with the way this comes packaged. It's got a nice little bag here. And here is the faucet. Comes with supply lines. Comes with your sink, the stopper, and your pipe for the bottom of your sink. And all the parts that you need are included in this. This faucet seems pretty sturdy. Got a nice gasket that goes underneath. To install, I'm just going to put it into the holes on the sink and then hook up the supply lines underneath. Here's your drain and stopper. It's got a nice click function. I also like that this comes with a little wrench to install your supply lines under the sink. This overall was very easy to install and definitely upgrades the look of my sink. The faucet itself swivels, the handles are nice and ergonomic, a nice design, they're easy to turn on. I think overall between the price and quality, this was a good purchase.